Hello and welcome to pmclounge.com. This is going to be a different video of sorts. Someone from our PMC Lounge community sent this video to me and they asked what I thought about this video. And when I saw this video, I was mind blown and I have a lot of thoughts to share about this video. And this is a small video that I'm going to react to. It pertains to PMP, it pertains to project management career, and I just feel that there's a lot of BS out there which is propagating, and that's why I think it's important that you hang around and check this video out till the end. So let's start off.
What do you do for a living?
So we both work in IT. I work in support. He's a programmer.
So the lady works in support. The man is a programmer. Both of them, I believe, are from the IT industry, basically.
Okay. So, what sort of money do you guys make?
I would say 100K individually.
So, 100,000, 100,000.
But you can go for a technical certification like Hadoop certification. There is a cloud certification. There is if you want to go in a management field, you can go for a CSM certification or a PMP certification.
PMP really helps you.
Now, I don't know what the question here was, why they started talking about certifications all of a sudden, and what the guy in black, the person who is interviewing, asked them. But so far, so good. The man in white does talk about how, if you want to get into management, he's essentially talking about project management or even program management, middle management. You should go for PMP and CSM. So far, so good.
But then I think PMP nowadays is so easy for people to get those certifications. I'm not really sure they're as valuable as probably they were 3 years ago. Don't you think if we look at future, something on the lines of cybersecurity, or as you mentioned in your case,
Okay. I'll go back a bit. PMP is so easy. I mean, on what planet is PMP easy? PMP is not at all easy. Also, he mentions PMP as in certifications. I believe he was talking about project management certifications or PMI certifications. CSM might be easy. I can give you a pass there. But PMI certifications are not easy. PMP is definitely not easy. And I don't know why he say PMP certifications. It's a single certification. And remember who you are talking to, right? Secondly, the two individuals that he is talking to, one of them is a programmer, the other person works in IT support. How are they supposed to know about project management and project management related certifications? They themselves are in support and programming. So I don't know what's happening here. But then he mentions another thing. 3 years ago, it was I think what he mentioned was 3 years ago it had more value and the value has downgraded. So let's go back 3 years ago, 2021. A lot of things happened in 2021. The pandemic was still around. Pimbox 7 came out in 2021. And since then, from 2021 till today, the PMP exam remains the same. So I don't know why he says the value has gone down or the exam has changed, because the last 3 years the exam has actually been the same. Pimbox 7 came out and it actually totally changed the game. So let's check what he has to say further.
look at future, something on the lines of cybersecurity, or as you mentioned in your case, cloud, would be a far more relevant in terms of money making.
What exactly is this person talking about? He's talking to a programmer and someone who works in IT support, and he's telling them that they should get themselves cybersecurity and cloud related certifications. I mean, they just talked about management, they talked about PMP, and he's sort of comparing PMP with cybersecurity. I mean, cybersecurity certifications in cybersecurity would be technical certifications. And then he talks about cloud. I mean, what exactly are we talking about here? Cybersecurity, cloud certifications are technical certifications. How can you compare them with PMP? And then he says that these certifications are way better when it comes to money making. So this is the point where I actually totally lost this guy. You're speaking to someone who is in support and programming. They mention PMP certification if you want to, let's say, get into management. And then this guy brought in cybersecurity and cloud if you want to make more money. Well, if that's the case, should project managers get themselves a cloud certification and become cloud architects? Is that even viable? And this is not even the core competency of a project manager to begin with, right? In fact, what if I told you that sales is a function that will make you much more money than support or programming could? So, would you do a sales certification and change your, career from programming and IT support to sales? Is that even possible? Is that, I mean, that's not even the skill set, right? So, okay, let's see further in the video what's happening.
Depends, like in which domain you are. So there are domains where like cloud, like if you have a cloud certification, you will get the job easily. Sure. But there are domains like if you have a cybersecurity certification, you will get the job easily. Right. So it all depends in which domain you are working on.
Some respite here for sure. The guy in white makes a lot of sense because he's talking about domains. He's touching on the fact that you can go for certification in your own domain. Dentists can make more money than programmers. So that does not mean that the person in white who is a programmer should get themselves a dentist certification and become a dentist, right? That is not how it works. Cloud certification, cybersecurity, project management are three totally different fields. Programming, IT support are totally different fields. You cannot just get certifications and move around wherever you feel like.
And then, so within development, when you say, PMP, do you think it's more relevant than even cloud in that case?
What exactly is he talking about? Development, PMP, cloud, these are not the same interchangeable domains, dude. PMP is industry agnostic. Someone who works as a construction project manager can also get themselves a PMP certification. PMP is not a development certification. At this point, I'm really, really sorry. I don't even know who this person in black is. Is this interviewer basically doing something just to go viral, or is he even aware of what project management and PMP certifications are? But bottom line is, PMP is not a development certification. Okay, we have 7 more seconds to go. Let's see.
Obviously, okay. There has to be someone to manage the team, right? That's where the PMP plays his role. Okay.
But cloud is very much in. So
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I mean, whatever. Guys, here's what I will say. Who you listen to is not a function of how many subscribers they have or how many viral videos they have. Who you listen to should be a function of the knowledge and skills that they possess. Don't scroll and get your information from random 1 minute videos or shorts or reels by individuals who have no idea what they are talking about. Again, I'm really sorry to say, but I don't think the interviewer has any idea what PMP is and what he is talking about. That being said, if you are preparing for PMP, CAPM, PMI, ACP, CSM, or any other project management related certifications, or if you want to stay in the know of what project management is all about, definitely consider subscribing. Subscribing to us is totally free, and you will not end up thinking that you are a project manager today. You can get yourselves a cloud certification and become a cloud architect tomorrow, and then maybe get a dentist certification and become a dentist day after tomorrow so that you can make more money. All right. I hope you understood what I was trying to say as part of this video. Again, no disrespect to anyone. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.